Welcome to my first video. I'm going to show you how to hack Jetpack Joyride using Lucky Patcher. First, you need to get Lucky Patcher. Then you find Jetpack Joyride. Then when you have patches, create modified APK file. APK rebuilt in app and left LVL emulation. Then you check all these two. Then you rebuild the app. And then you wait. This may take a while. May take a while. It's almost done. May take a while. And then it will show this. You go to file, uninstall and install. Yes, uninstall the app. Then you install. Then open the app. And then you press the button auto repeat. Then look at the menu. So you can buy anything you want. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.